Dovly AI Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to products mentioned are added to the description below so you can check pricing, plans, and official details. Dovly AI is a fully automated credit repair and credit building platform that uses artificial intelligence to analyze your credit report, identify negative items, and manage disputes on your behalf, making it a hands-off solution for users who want to improve their credit without manually dealing with bureaus or paperwork. The main features include automated credit monitoring, AI-driven dispute generation, real-time score tracking, and personalized credit improvement recommendations. Depending on the plan, it can also include credit-building tools, such as trade line reporting and identity protection features, all managed through a simple mobile and web interface. The platform is designed for consumers who want a simplified, guided approach to credit improvement, rather than traditional DIY disputes or expensive credit repair services. It is especially suited for beginners, busy professionals, or anyone who feels overwhelmed by the complexity of credit reports and wants an automated system to handle the process. One of the key strengths of Dovly AI is its convenience, since it continuously scans your credit data and initiates dispute actions when potential inaccuracies are found, reducing the need for manual intervention. It also provides clear visibility into what is affecting your score, along with ongoing updates and progress tracking. Another advantage is its accessibility, as users can start with a free version and upgrade only if they want more advanced features. However, there are also limitations. Dovly AI operates primarily within specific credit bureau integrations, which can limit the scope of disputes compared to fully manual credit repair strategies. Results are not instant, and improvements depend heavily on the accuracy of your credit report and overall financial behavior. Additionally, some users may find that premium features are required to access the most effective tools, which adds to the overall cost. Overall, Dovly AI is best suited for users who want an automated, low-effort way to manage and improve their credit over time, but it may not fully replace more hands-on credit repair meds for complex or aggressive dispute strategies.